We then install the timer on the faucet. During installation, we can use the attached Teflon tape to wrap the thread of the faucet to better prevent water leakage. After the installation is complete, turn the dial clockwise to on and follow the steps below to program. First, you need to set the current time. Turn the dial to set clock. Use the plus or minus button to select 24-hour or 12-hour format, then press the OK button to confirm and enter the time setting interface. Set the hours first and then the minutes. Use the OK button to switch between hours or minutes. Press and hold the plus or minus buttons to scroll to the desired time faster, and if you choose the 12-hour clock, pay special attention to the difference between AM and PM. Turn the dial clockwise to save changes in this step and go to the next step, start time. Use the plus and minus buttons to choose when to start watering. Once the start time is set, turn the dial clockwise to save the changes for this step and go to the next step, how long. Enter the watering duration setting interface. Use the plus and minus buttons to select the watering time, to select the duration from 1 minute to 3 hours 59 minutes. Using the OK button to switch hours or minutes. After setting the watering duration, turn the dial clockwise to save the changes for this step and go to the next step, how often. To set the watering frequency you need. This hose timer lets you specify the number of hours or days between waterings. You can choose an interval from hourly to every 12 hours or daily to every 7 days, using the plus and minus buttons to select the desired watering frequency. Once you have chosen your watering frequency, turn the dial to on to save the setting. Your scheduled watering will only run when the dial is in the on, so be sure to turn the dial to on after you've set your program. If it is very hot, your plants need a little extra water. If you want to manually water these areas, just turn the dial to on and hold the manual button for 3s to enter the manual watering mode. You can use the plus and minus buttons to select a manual watering time from 1 minute to 8 hours. After the time is set, press the OK button to start watering. Once watering has finished, the timer will resume your programmed watering schedule. To stop manual watering, press and hold the manual button for 3 seconds to exit and resume the original watering program. Note that if no selection is made within 5 seconds of manual watering mode, the timer will exit manual watering mode. If it rains a lot in your area, no need for watering recently. Rain delay feature to avoid overwatering and help you conserve water. To start the rain delay, turn the dial to on and press the delay button for 3 seconds to enter the rain delay mode. You can press the plus or minus button to select a delay time of 24 hours, 48 hours, or 72 hours. After selecting the delay time, press the OK button to run the delay function. To stop rain delay, press and hold the delay button for 3 seconds to resume your programmed watering schedule.